Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are good. Stay home, stay safe. Today, our exercise problems depends upon algebraic identities and simplifications. First, our question is in example 13. First, our question is subtract 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. Subtract 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5 from 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. 5 root 3 is nothing but 5 times root 3. 5 times root 3 means 5 into root 3. 5 into root 3 means root 3 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3. 5 times root 3. 7 root 5 is also as the same 7 times root 5. So subtraction 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3 plus 7 root 5. Like terms are 3 root 5, 7 root 5. Here like terms are 7 root 3, 5 root 3. Rearranging the terms, root 3 root 5 minus 7 root 3. Operation is subtraction. 3 root 5 like term is 7 root 5 plus 7 root 3 like term are 5 root 3. Operation is minus. Plus goes to minus. Plus goes to minus. 3 root 5 minus 7 root 5. Here highest number sign is minus. Result is also goes to minus. 7 minus 3. 4 root 5. Minus 7 root 3 minus 5 root 3. Both are even signs. So highest one sign is minus, that is 7 root 3, sign is minus. 7 root 3 plus 5 root 3. Result is 12 root 3. Here minus 4 is the common term. Remaining is root 5 minus 4 3 times 12. Minus into minus plus 4 3 times 12, that is equal to 3 root 3 is the final result. Example 14. Next our question is multiply 6 root 3 with 13 root 3. 6 root 3. Question is multiplication. 6 root 3 into 13 root 3. That is equal to 6 root 3 is nothing but 6 times root 3. 6 into root 3 into 13 root 3 is nothing but 13 into root 3. Integers are 6 and 13. 6 into 13. Irrationals are root 3 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3. 13 6 are 78 into root 3 into root 3 whole square, that is equal to square root cancel. 78 into 3, that is equal to 234 is the final. Next our topic is rationalizing factor. So the product of two irrationals is a rational number, then each of the two is the rationalizing factors of the other. Here we have to take an example, root 2. Root 2 into again root 2, that is equal to root 2 whole square root cancel, result is 2. Rationalizing factor is root 2. Next situation, root 2. Here we have to take root 2 into root 8. 8 is the rationalizing factor of root 2. Under root 2 into 8. Under root 16, that is equal to 4 square root cancel, result is 4. Rationalizing factor of a given irrational number is not unique. Means Here rationalization factor is root 2. Here root AB. But the result is rational number. The product of two irrationals is a rational number. The product of two irrational numbers is a rational number. Then each of the two is the rationalizing factor of the other. Here problems based on simplification. So the important formulas are irrationals from irrationals. Root a into root b is equal to square root of under root a into b. Root a by root b is equal to under root a by b. From algebraic identities, it is very important to remember a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. In example 15, first question is 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. A plus b into c plus d. So multiply first term with first term. Multiply first term with second term. Multiply second one with first term. Second one with second term. So 3 into 2 plus into plus plus. First term with second term. 3 into root 2 plus into plus plus 3 into root 2. 3 into root 2. Second term with first term plus into plus plus 2 into root 3. 2 into root 3 or 2 root 3. Plus into plus plus root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. 3 2s are 6. 3 into root 2 is nothing but 3 root 2 plus 2 into root 3 is nothing but 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 2 is of the form root a into root b. A and b are some rational numbers. So a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. So in our simplification, root a into root b is equal to square root of a into b. Square root of a into b. A is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. Under root 3 into 2, a into b. Under root 3 2s are 6 is the answer. Root 6. Further simplification, there is no like terms. So this is the final result. Our next question is second one. In example 15, 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 3. So it is of the form a plus b into a minus b. Result is a square minus b square. From algebraic identities, a square minus b square. So here a is equal to 2. And next, a plus b into a minus b. B is equal to root 3. A square minus b square. B is equal to root 3. Final result is a square minus b square. So 2 square minus b square. Root 3 square. Square, square root cancel. 2 2s are 4 minus 3. That is equal to 1. Next, third one, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. It is of the form a plus b whole square. Result is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So result is a plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A is equal to root 5. B is equal to root 2. A plus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here a square is equal to root 5 square plus b square is equal to root 2 square plus into a is equal to root 5, b is equal to root 2. square root cancel, square root cancel. 5 plus 2 plus 2 into root a into root b. Square root of a into b. Square root of 5 into 2, that is equal to 10. So 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 plus 2 into root 10. In example 15, our fourth question is root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. It is also similar to the second problem, that is 2 plus root 3 into 2 minus root 2. Algebraic identity is a plus b into a minus b. Result is a square minus b square. This is HW. Today our HW is from exercise 1.4. Simplify the following expressions. First one, 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. It is of the form a plus b into c plus d. A into c, a into d. B into c, b into d. So next one, 5 plus root 5 into 5 minus root 5. It is of the form from algebraic equations identities a plus b into a minus b. So result is a square minus b square. In third one, root 3 plus root 7 whole square. So a plus b whole square. Next fourth one, root 11 minus root 7 into root 11 plus root 7. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Next our topic is rationalizing the denominator. The multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. Here when a number x, the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal is 1 by x. The product of these two numbers, a number and its inverse, the result is always 1. In do this, our first question is rationalizing the denominator. So first question is 1 by 2 root 3. Rationalizing the denominator. 1 by 2 root 3 into, here irrational is root 3 into root 3 divided by root 3. 1 into root 3, root 3. 2 root 3 into again root 3. So root 3 by 2 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 whole square. Square root cancel. So result is root 3 by 2 into 3. So root 3 by 2 3s are 6. Denominator is rational. Denominator is rational. Here our question, denominator is irrational. Denominator is rational. Right. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Next, our question is example 17. Here, rationalize the denominator of 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3. So, the combination is plus. So, rationalizing factor of this denominator is into 7 plus 4 root 3. Rationalizing factor is 7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 minus 4 root 3. 1 into 7 minus 4 root 3, 7 minus 4 root 3 by a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A is equal to 7, b is equal to 4 root 3. From algebraic identities, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Here a square means 7 square minus b square means 4 root 3 whole square, that is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 sevens are 49 minus this one a into b whole square is equal to a square into b square. A is equal to 4 square into b square is equal to root 3 square, root 3 whole square. 7 minus 4 root 3 by 49 minus 4 fours are 16 into square root cancel 3, that is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3 by 49 minus 16 threes are 48. 49 minus 48 is equal to 1. 7 minus 4 root 3. So denominator is rationalized. Here denominator is a irrational number. Finally our result is denominator is rationalized. So result is 7 minus 4 root 3 is the final answer. Simplify. 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus root 5. First we have to take each term separately. So first one 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3. First one. Second one 1 by 2 plus root 5. Here in our first term, rationalizing factor is into 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3. Rationalizing factor is 7 minus 4 root 3. That is equal to, numerator is also 7 minus 4 root 3. 7 minus 4 root 3 into 1, 7 minus 4 root 3 by a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 7 square minus b, b is here 4 into root 3, 4 root 3 whole square, a plus b into a minus b. From algebraic identities, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 7 minus 4 root 3 by 7 square means 49 minus 4 into root 3 whole square means 4 square into root 3 whole square. 4 fours are 16 into root 3 whole square. Square root cancel. 16 into 3. 7 minus 4 root 3 by 49. 16 threes are 48. 49 minus 48. 1 by numerator is 7 minus 4 root 3. 7 minus 4 root 3 by 1 is nothing but 7 minus 4 root 3. Denominator is rationalized. From next term, the rationalizing factor is, here the denominator is 2 plus root 5. Rationalizing factor of 2 plus root 5 is 2 minus root 5. 2 minus root 5 by 2 minus root 5. Multiply numerator and denominator with 2 minus root 5. So 1 into 2 minus root 5 is 2 minus root 5. 2 plus root 5 into 2 minus root 5. From algebraic identities, a plus b into a minus b. Result is a square minus b square. Here a is equal to 2 square minus b square is equal to root 5 whole square. Square root cancel. 2 minus root 5 by 2 square means it is 4 minus remaining result 2 minus root 5 by 4 minus 5. So highest is 5. 5 sign is minus. Plus 4 minus 5 result is 1 minus 1. That is equal to minus of 2 minus root 5. That is equal to root 5 minus 2. Plus into minus, minus into minus, plus. So, rationalizing the factor of 1 by 7 plus 4 root 3, the result is 7 minus 4 root 3. Here is also the rationalizing factor multiply with, then the result is root 5 minus 2. The combination is addition. So, 7 minus 2. Irrational combinations. Minus 4 root 3 plus root 5. Simplify the integers values. 7 minus 2 result is 5 minus 4 root 3 plus root 5. So modify the value 5 plus root 5 minus 4 root 3 is the result. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational.
Go.
Second one, rationalize the denominators of the following one. Rationalize the denominators of the following one, HW. Third one, simplify the following by rationalizing the denominators. This is also third Roman HW. Okay students, if you have any doubts, please contact my number. Thank you.